If Steam keeps interrupting you with game updates, the good news is that you can control when those updates happen and reduce the chance of them starting at the worst possible time. In this video, I'll show you how to stop Steam game updates from taking over your bandwidth, your storage, and your time, using a few simple settings inside Steam. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let's get into it. First, open Steam and head to your library. Find the game you want to manage, then right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, look for the Updates tab. This is where Steam gives you control over how and when that game gets updated. Under Automatic Updates, change the setting to Only update this game when I launch it. This is one of the easiest ways to stop Steam from downloading updates in the background all the time. With this option selected, Steam won't constantly rush to install every new patch the moment it becomes available. Instead, it waits until you actually try to open the game. That said, there is one important thing to keep in mind. If an update is already waiting, Steam may require that update to finish before you can play the game online. So this setting does not completely remove updates forever, but it does give you much more control over when they happen. Now let's move on to the second method, which is especially useful if you want to keep Steam from using your internet connection during work, recording, or anything else important. Click Steam in the top left corner, then choose Settings. Once the Settings window opens, go to the Downloads tab. Inside the Download Restrictions section, look for the option that says Only Auto-Update Games Between. Turn that on and then set a specific time window for updates to happen. For example, you could choose a 1-hour window in the middle of the night, like 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. That way, Steam will wait until that off-hours period before it starts any background downloads. This is a great option if you don't want updates slowing down your network while you're streaming, editing videos, or working on something that needs a stable internet connection. It's also helpful if you just want your downloads to happen when you're least likely to notice them. Next, there's another setting that can help reduce performance issues while you're actively using your PC. Stay in Steam settings, go back to the Downloads section, and find the option called Allow Downloads during gameplay. If that box is enabled, Steam may still download content in the background while you're playing. To stop that, simply uncheck it. This is important because background downloads can affect system performance, especially if you're already running a demanding game or doing other heavy tasks on your computer. Disabling downloads during gameplay helps keep things smoother and gives your PC more breathing room. So, to quickly recap, if you want to stop Steam game updates from being disruptive, you should set your game to only update this game when I launch it, limit auto updates to a specific off-hours time window, and turn off downloads during gameplay. Together, these settings give you much better control over when Steam updates happen. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more helpful software and gaming tips, and leave a comment if you want more Steam guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.